Claudia Rouaux. Claudia Rouaux, born 13 October 1963, in Sainte-Gemmes-d'Andigné, Maine-et-Loire, is a French politician. Since February 2020, she has been the deputy for Ille-et-Vilaine's 3rd constituency in the National Assembly of France as a member of the Socialist Party. She succeeded François André following his death. Political career. She was elected municipal councillor in Montfort-sur-Meu in 2001 as Victor Prochet's first assistant, then re-elected in 2008. She was the substitute candidate for Marcel Roche-Montes, a later dissenting socialist candidate for Ille-et-Vilaine's 3rd constituency in the 2007 election. She was a candidate for the Socialists in the 2008 cantonal elections in the canton of Montfort-sur-Meu with 46% of the vote. She was beaten in the second round by Christophe Martins. She was the substitute candidate for François André for Ille-et-Vilaine's 3rd constituency in the 2017 election. She succeeded André following his death.